Coming up in today's video, I'll be showing you how I make one of my favorite meals in under 20 minutes. This is perfect for the mom on the go or anyone that's just super hungry and don't want to wait. Alright, so of course we're going to need our steak, our onion, and our peppers for this meal. And we're also going to need seasoning. This is the seasoning of my choice. First things first, I'm going to go ahead and get everything chopped up. Okay, so I seasoned my meat really good with those seasonings that I just showed you a bit earlier. And now it is time to go ahead and get some cooking oil in my pan. Go ahead and drop some onions in there, and we got to go ahead and make this steak. Once the steak and the peppers and onions are added, I like to go ahead and drop that lid and just let it do its thing. Okay, so it's cooking real nicely and it cooks super quick, so you gotta like stay right there in the kitchen. You can't go nowhere. This is a meal under 20 minutes, so you don't really have any time to spare. I'm gonna go ahead and start working on my sides. So we're doing instant mashed potatoes. I love these instant mashed potatoes. Super easy. I went ahead and got my water boiling. I want to go ahead and pour the packet in a bowl. And yeah, this takes absolutely no time. It's the perfect quick side dish, okay? Once the water is boiled, I go ahead and start adding boiling hot water to my mashed potatoes, and then we're gonna steam our broccoli. Now, I personally add butter to both my broccoli and my mashed potatoes. Whether you do or not is completely up to you. And so these are how my sides are looking, y'all. These are how my sides are looking while the steak is just finishing up. And oh my gosh, I am so ready for this meal to be complete, you guys. This was just a super hungry day for me. And so I went ahead and laid my steak on a paper towel once it was done, just to drain a little bit of grease. This night I am not using any dishes, okay? None unnecessary. Paper plates, paper towels, plastic utensils. And voila, it is done. Only thing left to do was add my A1. Comment down below, let me know what kind of steak sauce you like. I kind of got a debate going on Facebook. A1 steak sauce is my favorite. So here's my plate and my mom's plate. I made dinner for her for when she got off of work. Because sometimes she calls me and like, did you cook? What you cook? And yeah, I made sure we ate real good tonight. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you like with your steak, what kind of size you like, and also how you season your steak. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please be sure to follow me on Facebook at Courtney Bland. If you interact with at least 5 of my reels, I will return the favor. Also follow me at The Real Co-Marie on Instagram. I do have 3 total Instagrams, but this is my primary account. Here is my TikTok. Be sure to follow me here. I'm on the road to 5K. So I'm starting a live girls night in. It's gonna be live on YouTube. So I need you guys to help me pick the best night out of the week for us to do this. And it's just gonna be a space for us to vent, talk, laugh, and just have like a girls night in. So definitely comment down below, let me know what time, because this is gonna be like after the kids have gone to bed. Okay, and us moms and us women, we just need our own time, our own outlet, a safe space to just be us. So pour you a glass of wine and come join me on live. So yeah, let me know what date and times you guys are thinking about, and I cannot wait to get this going.